Friends, welcome back to Data Analytics Talks. Today we are going to talk about an important problem and a possible solution. In a real world where data is everywhere, the real challenge isn't access, it is action. The businesses are flooded with dashboards, reports, and alerts. But despite all this information, decisions are still slow, manual, and reactive. What if your analytics could think, decide, and act just like a human analyst, but faster, smarter, and always on? Yes, this is possible. Welcome to the era of agentic analytics, where AI does not just support decision, it drives them. A new way of working with the data. It is not just about insight anymore. It is about autonomous agents that sense, analyze, decide, and act in real time. What is agentic analytics? Agentic analytics uses AI powered agents that continuously monitor data, detect patterns, and triggers action without waiting for human intervention. It is like having a digital analyst that never sleeps. Great idea. So, how does it work? AI agents trained to understand business goals, machine learning, and reinforcement learning to adapt, improve, and real time data streaming for instant reactions, workflow engine to automate decisions. And finally, a deep integration with business systems like CRM, ERP, and many more. And you have many real time examples. You have examples in healthcare, finance, and logistics. Imagine a healthcare system where agents flag anomalies in patients' data instantly, or a logistics platform that reroute deliveries based on traffic and weather automatically. And again, why it matters? You can see the business leader is smiling, teams are collaborating, systems running smoothly. Agentic analytics bridges the gap between knowing and doing. It turns data into action, making businesses more agile, responsive, and competitive. Don't you see the real difference? And that's it. The future is agentic. The future of agentics is not just smarter dashboards, it's autonomous intelligence that work alongside us. Let's welcome the age of agentic analytics. Let's change. Let's change for a better future. Thank you.